Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update.
Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with a different kind of a video. Like I asked you guys on the community post like what you want me to do next, and I gave you some options for if you want any makeup look or if you want me to do any product review. Like as you guys know, I have done a haul and I'm doing some product reviews as well. So I asked you guys if you want me to do it, and even I gave you an option like something else. So I got two requests like for what I eat in a day and a day in my life, and then I was like, okay, I want to do it something really fast and what it can be. So I just thought, I took a picture of my bag and I was like, hey guys, you want me to do what's in my bag video? And I got some comments saying yes, so here it is. And yeah, before starting this video, I just want you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can hit this a big like at the end of this video, of course, like if you really like this. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, because there are so many of you watching my videos regularly but then you guys don't really subscribe. You know, it's not gonna cost you guys anything, but it's gonna make my day. So please subscribe to my channel, and you can even follow me on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat. I post amazing pictures out there, so go ahead and follow me there. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, here my bag comes. It's pretty heavy, like I can't really lift this up right now, so I'm just keeping this down. And I'm going to show you guys what's in my bag. So the first thing is coming out is my phone. So here it is. I'm a big phone person, so. And the next thing comes out is my wallet. There is nothing fancy about this wallet, and I'm sure I'm not even carrying any cash. I just have few cards. I'm not gonna show you. So yeah, keeping this down. Then next I have a perfume, and it is the CK1 Shock, and this is one of my favorite. Like I have so many perfume, but then I love keeping this in my bag because it's really nice and sleek. So this is the other one. And then I have my shades. These are the clear glasses from Ray-Ban, and here you go. This is how my shades looks. I'm not gonna wear them, but yeah, this is what I have. And then of course, as I told you, I'm a phone person. I need a power bank, so here it is. And the next thing, I have my diary, like my everyday planner kind of thing. I have everything written out here, like whatever I'm doing for my YouTube, like all your comments and everything, whatever I plan for the month is like here. So here it is. And currently I'm reading a book, and here it is. This is the I Too Have a Love Story, which is given by Vaishali. If you watched my Friendship Day vlog, you know who Vaishali is. So this is the book she gave me. Thank you, sweetheart. I just love reading this. And this is my bookmark, and I'm almost like gonna finish. There are a few pages left, and it's a tweezer and I don't know why, but yeah, this is here. So this is here, and read this book. It's a wonderful book, and I'm not reading it very regularly because if I start reading this like day and night, I won't be focusing on my work. So like if I'm traveling out, like if I'm in my car or something, I start reading this because I love this book. And thank you so much, Vaishali, for introducing me to such a good book. Give me the second part. Okay, I'm waiting for it. Okay, so the next thing is my charger, of course, and this is here. I always keep it handy. So yeah, this is there. And the next thing is a hand sanitizer, which is very important. You really need to sanitize your hand whenever you're going out and you're just going to munch something. Before that, you really need this. So there it is. And then I have some wet wipes, and this is the Himalaya wet wipes. You guys know I love Himalaya, and this is the aloe vera facial wipes. I use this for each and everything. Like I use this for removing my makeup, and even like if I'm not wearing makeup and I'm out in the heat, in the sun, I just like to wipe my face. So this is there, and yeah, it comes really handy even for the washroom and stuff. You know what I mean. So here it is. And then I have my comb. Tiny Roots comb, and I really like this, so I keep this. and then I have got 2 pens, and then I have a very basic hair tie, and then I have a small perfume, and here it is. This is a little strong smell, like the CK one is a bit sweet but this is a bit musky, so I really like this. And I don't remember which one is this. It's like so tiny I can't even read it out for you guys, but if I'm not wrong I got this with some body wash and I really like this. I think it's even gonna get over, so there is this. And then I have this makeup pouch. This makeup pouch is one of the NYKAA's makeup pouch, and I have this one. I have full face of makeup inside this. I'm going to show you what's inside this, but yeah, I just have one last thing left, and that is the belt for my bag, like the crossbody, or even you can hold it on your shoulder. So this is there. So now let's talk about the makeup pouch right here, and I have full face of makeup inside this. Like if I'm saying full face of makeup, I really mean it, guys. So let me just show you what's inside this. So the first thing is Maybelline Nudes palette, and this is like gonna get expired in 7 to 8 months now, so I'm just trying to finish this ASAP. So this is there. And then the next thing is Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick, and I keep this because, you know, like I have got a highlighter in this, I have got a blusher, and even if I don't feel like going with a heavy duty eyeshadow and I'm going out like just a casual outing but I still want to look and be a little dressed up, I go for this one all over my lids. So yeah, I keep this always in my pouch. And then I have this L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One Compact Powder. I always keep this because there is SPF 34 PA+++, which is really good. Like I normally don't use any sunscreens because if I'm going for any type of sunscreens, I don't know why I get rashes immediately. But if I'm using in a makeup form, it does not really affect much, so I always go for things which have little SPF on it, but it's not the sunscreen, like the direct sunscreen. And then I have this Lakme 925cc Color Transfer Cream in the shade Bronze, and this is also SPF 30 PA++, which is again like a replacement for a sunscreen for me. So this is there. And then I have my favorite mascara, which is Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. And surprisingly, I have so many lip balms with me. I don't know what are they doing here, but then I have 3 lip balms with me. I know I'm a big lip balm person. Like if I don't wear lipstick, I always wear lip balms, but 3, come on. Then I have a mirror, and this mirror is from Max Factor, and I got this as a free gift from Dubai, like when I was doing little no, my mom was doing little shopping for makeup and she got this for free. And I really like a fact about this one because it is so tiny and it really fits inside my palm, as you can see. And I asked my mom for this and she's like, okay, take it. So I got this from her. And then I have this Maybelline Colossal liner. This is the felt tip liner, as you can see. And this is like perfect for on the go, like if you're traveling or if you're in your car and you don't have much makeup and you just want to do a little wing or just a normal line. This really helps. So yeah, this is there. And then I have this NYKAA nail polish. I don't know why I have this in my bag because I don't really apply nail polish when I'm outside, but I don't know. Maybe I just kept it. Maybe something going in my mind that I should have this, so I have this. And then I have a NYX Lip Liner, and this is the Sand Pink, and here it is. I use this quite a lot, as you can already make out from the pencil. So yeah, this is there. And if I don't feel like wearing lipstick and I am just applying this on my lips, I just line my lips and lightly fill it in, and then I go for a lip balm, so it gives me a very natural looking pinkish lips. So this is there. So what else I have 4 lipsticks with me, and here it is. I have 4 different with me. And the first one is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cans. So this is there. And then I have a red lipstick, and this is the Maybelline Color Show one. If I'm not wrong, this is the Firecrackle. Yes, it is the Firecrackle one. And then I have this NYKAA Naughty Nude. Like, I am so obsessed with this lipstick. I always wear this, so this is there. And then I have my current obsession, and this is the Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick from Sugar. This is in the shade Tan Fan 03. I freaking love this lipstick. Like, I am so obsessed with this lipstick nowadays. Like, even if this was not in my bag, I would have wore this lipstick right now. But yeah, I freaking love this lipstick. This is my recent, whatever you want to say. It's my obsession. Like, I just love this color. And then I have this Rock the Line Kajal from NYKAA. Like, since I got this kajal, I've never used any other kajal in my life. Like, this kajal is so amazing, and this is my fourth one if I'm not wrong. And I truly love this kajal, so it's there. It's like the perfect black kajal, and I've always loved my kajal. So if I am not wearing makeup, there has to be a mascara, a kajal, and a lipstick. Like, even I can fill my eyebrows with kajal, so there it is. And yeah, I got a little carried away with my what's in my bag, because you know, when I open this pouch, I'm all over the place, and it just happened. But I hope this video is not too long. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what's in my bag. And yeah, if you want me to do more such videos, like if you have any request for me to do something other than makeup or something like that, you can surely go ahead, comment down below. I'll surely film it for you guys. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel for more updates. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and it's gonna keep you notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, I love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image. And thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.